So it's the holiday season and a lot of packages are coming in. These are all gifts for different people, from different people. I spend the holidays at my parents' house, and somehow, and so I'm getting a lot of stuff shipped here. Somehow I missed this package that came in yesterday, and it's from no other than Google. But we'll be doing that soon. And looks like I've got an early Christmas present, so this is a great gift. Get that out of the way. I don't want to. I should probably be doing this with a tripod so I don't break this thing right when I open it. And Chrome, do you know what it is yet? I'm so excited to get this thing open. Looks like there's a little piece in there, but here we go. It's the CR-48 Chrome Notebook. Excuse me. I've been wondering if they're going to call this a Chromebook, a Chrome Netbook's what they were originally saying they were going to be. They've got, or you know, Chrome laptop, Chrome computer, like who knows what they call it. And wow, that's got a very cool matte finish on it. There's a battery that we need. Let's go back and get the battery. And so here we go. Bam! It's the Chrome, or CR-48 Chrome. Wow, that turned right on. I didn't even press an on button. That's literally on for the first time. Let's get started. Alright, we got our password and we are ready to connect. Continue. Or don't continue, either way. Cool to me. I guess we needed our internet to get connected there before we could access this. Accept and continue. Make Chrome better by automatically sending usage. Yes. Have to return the favor. You can see up in the right hand corner, it's got a very, actually Android-ish looking. I'm not sure if you can see that. The status bar says the time. It says it's the United States, the laptop battery, or the laptop signal, and the battery. And please wait while Chrome installs the latest system updates. Your computer will start when the update is complete. Looks like this is going to take a little bit. You can see in the bottom left hand corner it shows the Chrome version number. We had to select a network and then accept an agreement and then sign in and then take your account picture. You can see at the top right here there is a webcam. So I'm guessing you're going to use it for that. Let's take a look around the keyboard while we're at it. Looks like we've got an escape button, back button, page back, page right, reload. So clearly this is internet geared. We've got volume buttons over here. I'm not sure what all these buttons in the middle do. I guess it's the screen brightness. It looks like those are loading new windows and expanding full screen. Besides that, you've got a pretty standard keyboard setup. Control, Alt, Spacebar, Alt, Control. Yeah, you've got the directional pads. You've got a dedicated search key over here, which is interesting. Also, very web-oriented, and there's a dedicated search key on pretty much all Android devices as well. So, see the similarities. The trackpad's interesting. You can see you can click on either side, but it doesn't look like it's clickable. It's just a solid black pad. The whole design is really cool. It's a great finish to it. It's not shiny, but it's super sleek, and it just looks great. Let's take a look on the sides and see what else we've got on these sides. Looks like this is probably an SD card slot, or yeah, it is an SD card slot. We've got a 3.5mm headset jack. USB port. There's the power source right there. There's a little green light by it, which I'm guessing shows you that yes, indeed, you are plugged in. On the other side, looks like we've got some type of serial port for connecting a peripheral device. You've got the CPU fan. On the back of it, we've got just the different stands, the battery cover. Looks like another fan there, and that's it. So. Hopefully I didn't press the escape button. Alright, it's been quite a while, and the bar for the installing the latest system update has not moved in quite a while. But this whole thing is not going to zoom properly, but it's, well, it says 3 o'clock p.m., but obviously it's not. I guess that's what time it was in Mountain View, California. I don't know what the deal is. Still waiting. Alright, it's now been 13 minutes since the last time I updated, and that blue bar hasn't moved, and I'm wondering what happened, so I plugged the thing in to see if that was an issue. So I don't know, but I won't bother you guys again until I got it installed. But right now, this says 3:14. It's 6:14 my time, so I'll let you know how long it takes me to get it installed. Wah wah. Bam! It turned off, but it finished finishing that finished thing. So that made no sense. But here we go. We're turning back on for the first time after installing those critical updates. And it's going to ask me for my email and password. As much as I'd like to share that with you all, I'm not going to. So let me just type in my email. And now let me type in my password. And now I'm going to sign in. Smile, take a picture, and set it as your account picture. Hold on, I've got to look pretty for this. Okay. Wow. I mean, I don't look very good, but trying to take pictures all day wouldn't help that. And here we are. Get started with your Chrome netbook. Welcome to the pilot program. In your hands is a Chrome notebook, a piece of reference hardware that we call CR-48. You can call it whatever you like. That was built specifically for this program. We're excited to show you what it can do and get your feedback. Check out how easy it is to set up and how fast it wakes up. Close the lid. Wait a second. Open the lid. Your system just went to sleep and woke up in that time. But there's more. There's more. Share your apps, bookmarks, extensions, and other settings seamlessly across all your devices running Chrome. Connect anywhere with Wi-Fi or 3G so you can always browse the web. When your friends come over, get them to use the guest mode so they don't mess up your stuff. And don't worry about updating your software again. It all works automatically. Everything is still very much a work in progress, so when you have ideas or run across glitches, tell us by clicking the feedback bug. Please kick every tire you can find. We will continue to make improvements and update CR-48 to the latest version automatically. Our goal is to make your computer better over time. Have fun and don't forget to write. Cheers, the Chrome team. Awesome. So let's go ahead and click that X, and now I'm about to get started. On we go. Welcome to Chrome. Press down to continue. Touchpad. I guess this is a little get started thing. It shows you everything. Can I go back up? Yep. It's the first of its kind, a notebook built and optimized for the web. Touchpad. Left click, right click, scroll, and switch speeds. Using touchpad involves a sense of direction and fingers. To click, tap gently. If you have heavy fingers, feel free to press. That's right, the entire touchpad is one big clickable button. To control the tap to click settings, click the wrench and then select settings. Right click. Okay, scroll. To scroll up or down, put 2 fingers on the touchpad and then move them up or down. You can always use the traditional method using the scroll bar. Try your hand at scrolling immediately below. Let me try this now. 2 fingers, boom. Hey, it didn't do anything. Oh, here we go. If your cursor moves too slow or too fast, you can change that. Okay. Wake up. Nah. Alright, you guys don't want to see all this stuff. You just want to know the cool stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive in. I'm really excited to start using my left hand as well as my right hand so I can type and get and dive into all this. Check out chromespot.com. Stay tuned. We're going to have a ton of articles about the CR-48, about Chrome OS and how it's working on this particular piece of hardware, tips and tricks and what you can expect, what we like, what we don't like. We'll have a full review coming up. So chromespot.com. Stay tuned. And yeah, we're going to have a ton of content. Hit up the forums at chromespot.com/forum and get started on the conversation. We already have tons of members, and let's get that conversation going and start sharing tips and tricks and all sorts of info. So thanks, and hope to see you on site.